Can SUI go to $2? SUI, SUI, however you want to say it. A lot of people say it differently, but this is a token that right now, over the last 7 days, is absolutely soaring. Look at the price action on this coin over the last 7 days. It is up 60%. Now, I want to talk about a $2 target for this coin, which I think is a slam dunk easy. And I want to get into it in this video and share with you guys why I think this is so possible in this upcoming bull market, and a little bit about SUI and where you can go ahead and use the DeFi networks associated with SUI, use its network and use some of the decentralized protocols on this network, and talk about some of the top tokens in the SUI ecosystem. Without further ado, guys, let's get into the video. Smash your like, subscribe to the channel, and let's talk about a $2 SUI in this video. I hope I'm saying it right. SUI, SUI, however you want to say it. This coin is doing very well, up 60% over the last 7 days. This coin came out of nowhere in this bull market. It is relatively new in this industry to the crypto economy. And you know, guys, it's ranked number 31 overall right now. That's pretty impressive. Now, I'm going to go through a lot here. You can see I got a lot of tabs. So let me get through it, guys, and stick around to the end because I'll get to that $2 prediction towards the end. Now, Grayscale, first of all, launched a new crypto investment trust for SUI and TAO. Now, Grayscale is obviously a massive investor in the crypto space, and this just shows you the institutional interest in this token and probably why it's already ranked number 31 in crypto. And honestly, a partnership like this, well, shouldn't even call it a partnership, but a big firm like this investing in building trust for this token, this is a good sign of things to come. And with a parabolic bull market, this coin could do tremendous. Now, I did find this article, which is why I pulled the $2 target for you guys today. The Crypto Basic reporting SUI eyes a 150% surge to $2 amid falling channel break surge. Now, looking at the TA on this specifically, that's not the big point here, but the question is $2 possible? You see an article here written on August 9th talking about this. Is this logical? Is this likely? Because from here, that's really only a 2x. Well, I'm going to tell you guys right now, I believe that not only is a $2 target extremely possible, but I'd say that's rather bearish considering what we're about to see in this crypto bull market. You know, I did a video on Jasmine earlier, and usually when I talk about altcoins, I like to reference this total market cap again, where we hit a $3 trillion all-time high in the past for the total market cap. For crypto overall, I think we're going to go anywhere from 10 to 20 trillion in this bull market. You know, the market cap of gold right now is about 12 or 13 trillion dollars. People believe that Bitcoin alone is going to flip gold, and Bitcoin's about 50% of the market, which leads us to believe that, hey, we could see a 24 or 25 trillion dollar market cap for crypto in the future if Bitcoin dominance is still about 50%. And so for a token like SUI, which really has only been around since May of 2023, you know, this thing came down, bounced off this beautiful support it found at 47 cents and had this massive surge on this weekly candle. This just broke through these previously weekly candles. Now, if Bitcoin can continue to the upside and go to the $70,000 range, guys, I'm going to tell you right now, I believe that we could see SUI back at $2 as at the same time that we're seeing Bitcoin break through previous all-time highs. And then as the overall total market cap continues to break to the upside, we could see SUI definitely do a lot more than that. Maybe even see SUI go to $5 or $10 in this bull market easily, again, because we are seeing that institutional interest with this coin. Now, what's the ecosystem look like, and are people actually using this? Well, there is a huge following on Twitter, and I just follow the account officially because I've just been looking into this in depth for the first time really today, and I wanted to get you guys in on kind of my research that I've been looking into. 685K followers on Twitter is massive. They joined in August of 2021. They've been building. The token launched in 2023 from the looks of it, and you know, they are doing a lot. Again, breaking news, Grayscale launches new SUI fund. This is new news, and this is probably the reason that it had such a big boost. Now, if I was looking for an entry on SUI, it is a little risky to buy a coin that's pumping. Typically, I like to wait for a dip. But if Bitcoin keeps going to the upside, then SUI could continue to find more upside as well. But I would be cautious on finding an entry point on this token right now. But for the future, looking towards this bull market, you know, they do have a lot going on. This is the website. It's a very beautiful website. You can see a lot of these big companies that are building, you know, on SUI. You can even see the Alibaba cloud building on SUI. Alibaba is a huge stock, and so many other big names here in this. You know, and here's something to note as well. How fast is this network? How good is this network? It is 297,000 transactions per second. This is the SUI chart. Look at the bar graph here versus Solana. Much faster than Solana, which is braggingly and for good reason one of the fastest blockchains out there. Much faster than Avalanche and way faster than Ethereum. So this network is very strong. A lot of institutional partners behind it, which is very, very cool. And I highly recommend you guys, click through this, explore some of the resources, and you can dive into here and you can start to look around and building on SUI. And then you can start to see, okay, here's a couple options. You can look at the wallets. Oh, the D wallet network, the SUI wallet kit. And so you can start to download some of the wallets. Well, here's something else you should look at. How is it doing in terms of DeFi overall? Well, right now, the SUI blockchain is right now ranked number 16. I talk about Kronos a lot. It flipped Kronos. This is a newer blockchain that is up right now, trending up. Obviously, this Grayscale investment is huge for the SUI token, which is why the token is pumping right now. You should click into this. If you click on the SUI protocol right here and DeFi Llama, and then you go over and look at the protocol rankings, what's actually being built on it. The Navi Protocol, Scallop Blend, CETUS, AMM, this is a DEX. Here's a lending and borrowing protocol. These are big protocols with millions of dollars in them, and a parabolic bull market when we see the total DeFi economy, right, go back to previous all-time highs. Right now, there's $84 billion locked in the DeFi economy in total. If you look at the resistance at $3 trillion for the total market cap and breaking out to $10 or $20 trillion for a total market cap in the future, the total value locked up in DeFi could easily go to $1 trillion one day. And who's going to take the market share? Well, the top protocols are probably going to take it. And right now, SUI is towards the top. So let's look at some of these big protocols. Here's Navi. There is a token associated with this protocol. This is a borrowing and lending protocol. You should look through it for yourself. Here's a snapshot of what the protocol looks like, but I pulled it up for you guys here. You would just simply connect one of those SUI wallets, which it looks very, very easy to kind of send your USDC or USDT from Ethereum over to these wallets and then start interacting and borrowing and lending and using the DeFi protocols. This looks very nice. It looks very simple to use. I have not tested it myself yet, but certainly there are a lot of people that have been using this as it is one of the top protocols. Now, maybe you're not a borrower and lender and you're looking for a DEX to trade on. Well, this CETUS DEX is on Aptos and SUI, and this is empowering liquidity built for DeFi. You can do liquidity pools on this platform, and you can obviously do a swap, right? Connect one of your SUI wallets, and you can do some of the trading and use some of the top tokens on this chain and interact with, there's memes on here, of course. There's memes on every chain. And start looking through this. So, I'm not going to get in too much into these tokens, but I will tell you guys, the market cap for SUI is quite large, right? We were looking at SUI right now. It's got a $2.3 billion market cap. The CETUS protocol, it has its own token right now at 6 cents, currently at $20 million. This thing could easily go to $100 million in my opinion if SUI does go to that $2, $5, or $10 price in the future, which again, I think is very simple. These little coins in these ecosystems, if they're successful ecosystems, will inevitably do well. In Solana, a lot of people like to look at Jupiter, look at Orca and some of the protocols within Solana. And the same thing is what you should do if you're interested in buying altcoins in the SUI ecosystem. Look at the top protocols. Look at the tokens associated with those protocols. Look at the market cap. How much upside is there? Set yourself up to take profit along the way. And note that these coins are always going to be a little bit more risky. Is SUI going to be one of the blockchains of the future? Well, it's certainly one of the blockchains that's hyped up right now. And we do have a parabolic bull market that a lot of people are expecting. And if we do see that $10 to $20 trillion market cap, these coins could go off in a big way. SUI could go off, and, the coins associated with it could go up. Here's the Navi Protocol token, right? This is the borrowing and lending platform. It's only at an $8 million market cap. Very low in price. This thing could easily 10x. This thing could easily 20x. Again, I like to be conservative. I like to take profits at 2, 3, 5x along the way, which doesn't sound conservative, but in a crypto parabolic bull market, it really is. You look at coins like Shiba Inu and Doge that produced massive gains in the past, and then you look at a coin like SUI that's doing so well and start to look at some of the tokens, we could see some tremendous gains. Now, again, I'm looking at, we've hit $2 in the past. I think it's a slam dunk for this coin to break through its previous all-time high when this total market cap breaks through to new highs. The key in the short term is Bitcoin needs to break past $70,000. If we get a bounce back down to $50,000 for Bitcoin off the bottom of this trend line, or we go lower, which I don't think we're going to do, then SUI could easily come back down to the 50-cent level and test some of these lows again. But 50 cents would be probably an excellent buying opportunity. Certainly some resistance at about $1 for this coin right now. But if Bitcoin keeps going up, I could see this token easily getting to that $2 target quickly. And again, possibly to $5 or $10 in this bull market. Now, Again, institutional investors are getting in on this coin. I know a lot of people are hyped about this token. It was a coin that a lot of people were talking about in 2023 quite a bit, at the beginning of 2024. I feel like it's fallen off some people's radar, but now it's back on their radar because Grayscale launched some trusts, including the SUI token. Leave some comments down below. How do you guys feel about this coin? Have you interacted with the platforms at all? Are you interested in this token? The transactions are certainly astronomically faster than Solana, Ethereum, and Avalanche. That is definitely something. Are you bullish on it? Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. That is all I have for you guys in this one. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to DCA HODL. And of course, my friends, I will see you in the next one. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out, y'all. Until next time, don't forget to DCA HODL. Peace, y'all. See you next time.